Hi guys! Welcome to another vlog. Today's vlog is just one of those slow days na parang wala namang super bonggang ganap. Pero ang sarap lang i-document. Of course, hindi pwedeng walang coffee. So, we did a quick Starbucks run because gloomy weather and coffee just make sense together. First sip and yes, exactly what I needed. Coffee just really fixes the mood sometimes. After that, it was time for driving practice. I'm still learning, so medyo kinakabahan pa ako, but I'm trying to take it one drive at a time. Thankfully, after a while, I started feeling more comfortable behind the wheel. Still not perfect, but definitely better than before. And honestly, small progress is still a progress. Excited na ako mag-drive! Wait lang. For lunch, we had fried tilapia and ginisang kalabasa at sitaw, which is one of those simpleng lutong bahay meals that just hit every time. Tapos syempre, mas masarap kumain pag may kasabay na K-drama. After lunch, I spent some time catching up on emails and a bit of work. Just a quick reset before going back to the slower side of the day. Also, a tiny life update. My spinach is growing. Later on, nag-crave naman ako bigla sa halo-halo. And once I start thinking about it, wala na. Kailangan ko na talagang hanapin. Umorder kami sa Chowking because apparently, halo-halo ang personality natin for today. Then of course, here's my little one being her usual silly self. She really keeps the day fun without even trying. Hindi talaga kompleto ang araw pag walang paandar siya. We ended the afternoon with a little walk. Ang simple lang, pero ito talaga yung mga favorite kong part ng day. Yung wala masyadong nangyayari pero ang gaan lang sa pakiramdam. Then we had fried noodles and siomai for dinner. Tapos syempre, hindi mawawala yung something sweet after. Ang daming simpleng ganap today. Pero ewan ko, ito talaga yung mga araw na na-appreciate ko lately. Yung tahimik lang, walang pressure, walang kailangan habulin, just doing life one small moment at a time.